Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I am your tutor on this video. Today I am going to show you exactly how to make a game pass in Village Donate on Roblox, and it will be an step-by-step super fast and easy tutorial. So if you want to get donations in PLS Donate, you need a game pass. So let's get you to set up in just a couple of minutes. So first of all, you just need to go to the Roblox website or Roblox application. If you are on the website, then you just need to open the browser and go to the roblox.com and log into your account. At the top you just need to click create, and if you don't see it, try create from the left side. Where under the creation, then you will find out the places or passes. This is where you will make your game pass. So this is the easiest one. So here how you can do it, let me give you the practical way. So you just need to click over here, you start creating on Roblox, just click over that place. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the next page. Just click on here.